Namrata's, debut director, I think she did a fabulous job.
I know, right?
Of bringing everything to life, I think was beautiful.
She liked the background music a lot and the way it was done, the shadow play and
Yes,
then the
yes.
alternating between the two. It was
Beautiful, beautifully performed. Mind blowing. First time in Mysore, I'm seeing this.
Yes, yes. So poetic.
Yeah, I know,
So
right?
poetic. We loved the shadow work. We loved the snapping.
I know.
And the interaction with the audience
Yes,
was so well woven and subtle, but also strong.
Easy way of expressing, not much words, I would
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
It's really connected.
I don't know why the song just hit me out of nowhere, like a very lovely song.
Army and the people who came hunting for him were
Very realistic too. And the actors were just too great. The way it came to life, I think we were all engrossed with the character, feeling, moving. I think that was great.
I love the play. Yeah, worth watching.
The play was fabulous. The play, like the direction, the art department, and especially those set design, which they have made to the makeup print. It was fabulous. Yeah, it was a good play.
First time I met you, the thought that I had in mind was finally killed. This is you. This is you.